European Union provides food assistance to Niger. The European Union donated 3.2 million euros to the United Nations World Food Programme's, or WFP's, operation in Niger, which was used to provide life-saving food aid to internally displaced people, refugees, and host communities in the conflict-affected areas of Maradi, Diffa, Tahua, and Tillaberi. Through the contribution, the government of Niger will also be supported in enhancing its emergency response capacity and addressing food security issues. Almost 1 million people in Niger are provided with nutritious sustenance through the WFP. The EU is a Shining World Leadership Award for Peace recipient and a Shining World Leadership Awards for Compassion, Unconditional World Care, and True Caring laureate. Our heartfelt gratitude to both the European Union for your caring monetary gift and the World Food Programme for your imperative humanitarian work. In divine grace, may the kind people of Niger soon greet bright tomorrows in a loving world.
Saudi Arabian charity strengthens healthcare for Palestinian refugees. The King Salman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center, KS Relief, contributed $1.5 million for essential healthcare services in Gaza through an agreement with the United Nations Relief and Works Agency for Palestine Refugees in the Near East, UNRWA. The funds will be used to improve medical services across local hospitals and clinics for more than 1.5 million refugees in Gaza. Early diagnosis of breast cancer and mammography will be provided to 5,000 women. Moreover, the collaboration will offer life-saving medicines for 23,000 patients, training for 700 medical workers, as well as facilitate medical screening for 35,000 UNRWA students. Our sincere appreciation, KS Relief and UNRWA. May your timely assistance ensure the health of many gentle individuals in the immeasurable kindness of the Providence.
Luxembourg to quadruple organic farmland. Luxembourg's government plans to increase the amount of land used for organic farming from the present 5% to 20% by 2025. The other 80% will be managed in ecologically, economically, and socially sustainable ways. To encourage their goals, the organic farming budget allowance of 2 million euros will be gradually increased to 11.4 million euros by the year 2025. In addition, 40% of the products sold in state-sponsored catering facilities, such as schools, will be organic, while 60% will be sourced from farms transitioning to organic. Other plans include establishing farms that highlight organic agriculture practices and creating organic certification labels. Such a marvelous idea, Luxembourg, to help ensure the health of your nation by promoting organic methods of cultivation. May the soil, insects, air, waters, and people all sing songs of joy as your nation becomes cleaner, safer, and more abundant with vital plant foods.
Bangladesh expands access to electricity. The China-headquartered Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank has approved a $200 million loan to Bangladesh to enhance electricity access and service efficiency in the capital of Dhaka and the country's western zone. Co-financed by the Asian Development Bank, the grid expansion project is expected to be completed by 2025 and will add 7,440 megawatt amperes of power transmission capacity, plus reduce electricity outages and losses. As part of the modernization efforts, 408 kilometers of transmission lines will be assembled, which will save over 413,000 metric tons of CO2 annually and make the nation's grid more climate resilient. The initiative is expected to advance Bangladesh's economy by providing consistent power supply. Bravo, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, Asian Development Bank, and Bangladesh. In divine light, may your cooperation increase opportunities for happiness and prosperity among the precious Bangladeshi citizens.
Upholsterer from Brooklyn, New York, in the United States, supplies hospitals with surgical face masks. Ella Hall, co-founder and CEO of Stitch Room, has enlisted a team of hundreds of volunteers to sew face masks for hospitals around the country who are experiencing a shortage due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Ms. Hall developed the webpage stitchroom.com/masks, where people can register to help as well as receive free instructions on how to create them. Hospitals can also sign up to be recipients. About 9,000 masks have already been delivered to 30 hospitals, and the talented volunteers continue to make more. Heaven's blessings, Ella Hall and dedicated team, for all your noble efforts to bring much-needed face masks to the brave doctors, nurses, and hospital workers of your nation. We pray, in God's mercy, that soon all people will be safe as governments around the world ban meat consumption to ensure a benevolent future in good health.
Supreme Master Ching Hai thankfully present Ella Hall the Shining World Compassion Award and a $10,000 contribution to support your caring cause with much love and heartfelt gratitude. May God bless and protect you, your team of volunteers, and all the courageous frontline healthcare heroes you are helping.
United Kingdom Food Processing Equipment Company offers next-generation vegan protein machine. Baker Perkins, a leading supplier of equipment and technology to the global food industry, has developed an innovative twin-screw extrusion machine that is capable of producing vegan protein products that have a firm, chewy texture familiar to consumers. The technology can produce textured vegetable protein, commonly known as TVP, and operates with multiple plant protein sources such as soy, wheat, lentils, beans, and others. Products that can be created include vegan burgers, mince, nuggets, sausages, meatballs, plus more. Congratulations, Baker Perkins, on the release of your vegan meat-making equipment. May your sales rise quickly as food manufacturers ramp up production to help satisfy the exponentially growing demand for vegan food.
New documentary will link animal livestock racing to zoonotic diseases. BAFTA award-winning director Alex Lockwood and co-director of the influential films Cowspiracy and What the Health, Keegan Kuhn, are currently producing a documentary about the spread of diseases from mainly factory-farmed animals to humans. The film will examine COVID-19 and its origins in the wildlife trade, while also revealing how the majority of infectious diseases have come from animal livestock racing. Shining World Compassion Award laureate Keegan Kuhn said, "Alex Lockwood and I started working on this film almost 6 months ago, long before COVID-19 began making headlines, because the dangers of zoonotic diseases in its present form have been with us since humans started farming animals." Our wholehearted thanks, Alex Lockwood and Keegan Kuhn, for bringing awareness to the urgency of ending the livestock industry. May all governments take immediate go total vegan action to stop factory farming and improve the lives of all beings in heaven's uplifting radiance.